Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this episode we're going to be replacing this broken headlight. It happened to me when I was driving on a motorway and unfortunately I hit a bird. Headlight itself held in place by 5 10mm bolts. Now 3 of these bolts are very easy to get to. It's just right on the top of a headlight, but 2 of them are hidden behind the bumper, so we have to take off the whole bumper. But at least if you're replacing a one headlight, you have to take off one side of a bumper. I'm just starting here from removing Phillips screws here. And then at the bottom it's just enough if you take off 3 bolts which hold in your under tray, so we're just kind of connecting your lower part of the bumper to an under tray. By now car is about 13 years old and things are becoming to be a little bit crusty and rusty, so impact driver works just perfectly well in this situation. And now I'm just moving on to removing this plastic side trim using my trim removal tool, but I made a mistake. I didn't use my heat gun, so unfortunately 2 clips broke off. I'll show you later in the video, but if I would do it again I would definitely use my heat gun first and then use a little bit of penetration oil as well, just to lubricate all them clips. Now these 2 clips broke off, so they're not good to us anymore, so we have to take them out now. But the good thing, it's still plenty more clips left, so our trim will be held in place, no problem. And as I said, if I would have used my heat gun and a little bit of penetration oil, I think I would have been okay. Now in here again 10mm socket, we have to remove a screw which is holding the bottom of the wing and the top corner of the bumper together. And now we need to separate the bumper from a wing itself. It held in place by about 4 clips. Now again, I didn't want to make same mistake twice, so I've used a bit of penetration oil and I took out my heat gun. So make sure you're gonna heat everything up so everything will be nice and warm. And now we can loosen the corner of our bumper enough so we can get to this two 10mm bolts. Now as our very last bolt is out, we can take out our headlight, but don't forget to disconnect the wiring harness first. Now, before I put our brand new second-hand headlight in, I've decided just to clean the contacts with this electrical contact cleaner first. Now in here, just after a quick test of our new headlight, I've realized I didn't connect this side light. It's just a small separate black plug. And this is how you change a headlight on the Nissan Qashqai. Now guys, thank you ever so much for watching my videos. If you found it helpful, please give us a like and drop us a comment, share and subscribe for more. And I'll catch you at the next one. Cheers.